Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to dysi. Yes, I do. Do you speak Indonesian? Yes, I do. So, it's been very long time no see, right? I'm so sorry. Well, that's because I was very busy for something important. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna bring you something important to learn, especially if you really want to enrich your vocabulary. Well, as a language learner, we do need this. So, what is that lesson? So today's lesson is about the 16 basic verbs without any prefixes or infixes and etc. Well, I'll give you the example of using those verbs in a sentence and of course the pronunciation too. So as always, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit on the notification bell. Then you guys will get the notification of my video when I've just uploaded a new video. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first is the word minum. Minum. There are two syllables in this word, and this word means to drink. Let's see the example. Saya ingin minum secangkir kopi. Saya ingin minum secangkir kopi. It means I want to drink a cup of coffee. The second word is makan. Makan. Well, there are two syllables in this word and it means to eat. Let's have a look at the example. Saya ingin makan bakso. Saya ingin makan bakso. I want to eat meatballs. The third verb is tidur. Tidur. There are two syllables too. And it means to sleep. Let's say the example. Dia tidur di hotel semalam. Dia tidur di hotel semalam. It means he slept at hotel last night. The next, which is number 4, the word bangun. Bangun. Ba is the first syllable and the second syllable is the ngun. Ngun with ng sound and then close with the n sound. Ngun. Bangun. It means to wake up, the opposite of the previous word. Saya bangun pada pukul 7 pagi. Saya bangun pada pukul 7 pagi. It means I wake up at 7 a.m. And the next, number 5, the word mulai. Mulai. So there are two syllables in this word and it means to begin. Kami mulai memahamimu. Kami mulai memahamimu. Kami mulai memahamimu. It means we're beginning to understand you. The next is the word selesai. Selesai. So there are 3 syllables in this word, which is se, and then le, and sai. It is the same as the previous word, which is lai, but this word is sai. The previous word is mulai, lai, and this word sai, selesai. It means to finish. Let's see the example. Saya baru selesai makan malam. Saya baru selesai makan malam. It means I've just finished my dinner. And the next, which is number 7, is the word tahu. This is so easy. There are 2 syllables in this word, which is ta and hu. Tahu. And it means to know. Let's see the example. Saya tahu semua tentang kamu. Saya tahu semua tentang kamu. It means I know all about you. The next number 8 is masuk. 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 It means to enter. The example, jangan masuk. Jangan masuk. Jangan masuk. It means do not enter. And the next number 9 is the word keluar. Keluar. So the first syllable is the word ke, and the next syllable is luar. Keluar. So that's not luar, but luar. Luar. And it means to exit. The example, saya harus keluar dari sini. Saya harus keluar dari sini. I must exit from here. The next is number 10. Ingat. 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 There are 2 syllables in this word, which is I, the first syllable, and ngat, the second syllable. It means to remember. Let's see the example. Saya tidak ingat. Saya tidak ingat. It means I don't remember. Well, if you remember, one thing you need is just remove the word tidak. So you can say saya ingat. I remember. Saya ingat itu. I remember that. Saya mengingatnya. I remember it. Isn't it? And the next, which is number 11, is the word lupa. Lupa. If you remember something, you can forget something. Lupa means forget. To forget. Well, there are 2 syllables in this word. Let's see the example. Saya lupa membawa uang. Saya lupa membawa uang. Saya lupa membawa uang. It means I forgot to bring money. And the next, number 12, it's very easy. You will obviously use this word in your daily. So this word is duduk. 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 There are 2 syllables in this word. It means to sit. To sit. Let's see the example. Silahkan duduk. Silahkan duduk. It means sit down, please. And the next, the opposite of the word duduk, which is berdiri. Berdiri. There are 3 syllables in this word. Berdiri. 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 And of course, it means to stand. Let's see the example. Saya akan tetap berdiri di sini. Saya akan tetap berdiri di sini. It means I will be standing here. Well, we close to the last. Number 14 is the word kembali. 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 There are 2 syllables in this word, which is kem and bali. If you can pronounce the word Bali easily, so I think you can pronounce this word easily too. Kembali. It means to return. Let's see the example. Duyung itu kembali ke lautan. Duyung itu kembali ke lautan. The mermaid returned to the sea. And the next, which is number 15, it is the word datang. 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 There are 2 syllables in this word. You need to use your sound very strong, because I know maybe you guys can't pronounce this sound, which is sound. Correct me if I'm wrong. So this word means to come. The example, kapan kamu datang ke Indonesia? Kapan kamu datang ke Indonesia? Kapan kamu datang ke Indonesia? Well, it means when you come to Indonesia. And finally, the last, which is the word lihat. Lihat. I know that in English we have 2 meanings or even more of this word, but in Indonesian you can just say lihat to describe anything you see. Well, this word means see. And let's practice the pronunciation. Lihat. 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 So that's not lihat, but this is lihat. Li is the first syllable and hat is the second syllable. Let's see the example. Aku lihat duyung di pantai. Aku lihat duyung di pantai. Oh my gosh, why you always talk about the mermaid whale? It doesn't matter, guys. I'm just really like that. I don't know why. So, aku lihat duyung di pantai. Aku lihat duyung di pantai. Well, it means I saw a mermaid at beach. So guys, those were the 16 basic verbs you'll definitely use in your daily. Well, I've created the PDF for this lesson. If you want to get that PDF, you can simply click the link below and you can sign up your name and also your email address, and then the PDF will arrive automatically to your email. And also don't forget to share this video to your friend who wants to learn Indonesian. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot from today's video. So, keep on learning and sampai jumpa. Gimana nih, ngulang nggak? Ulangin. And the next.